With the GoalFlow visualization, you can easily see the top 5 browsers that visitors use to reach a goal, and the conversion rate for each browser. Select Browser as the dimension. You see the top 5 browsers in descending order of traffic volume. With this view of traffic, you can get an immediate sense of the relative volume of traffic from each browser and whether those traffic patterns meet your expectations. For example, you might see 1 or 2 browsers that deliver a significantly higher conversion rate. In this case, you might want to segment for those visitors, investigate their overall behavior on your site, and make sure your site is optimized for those browsers. You might uncover something like a 0 conversion rate for a browser, for example, one of the mobile browsers. In this case, you have an opportunity to either develop a mobile presence if you don't already have one, or to investigate why your existing mobile site isn't working for that browser. To see more precise numbers for the visitors who came to your site via a particular browser and eventually reached your goal, click a node in the first column. Then click Highlight Traffic through here. You can then see the different pathways those visitors took through your funnel. If you want to focus on traffic in a specific connection, just click that connection. For example, you might see an obvious loopback from one node to another that you want to investigate. Were those visitors simply going back to add more items to their shopping carts? Or were they conducting multiple searches, not finding what they wanted, and then abandoning your funnel? In addition to traffic patterns through a goal funnel, you can also see the extent to which traffic exited your site altogether, or exited to other pages in your site from a particular node. Hover over the right edge of a node to see the drop-off statistics. If you see an unusual drop-off from a node, that might indicate things like the next page in the funnel not loading properly, or a problem with your order page, like excessively high shipping costs. When you use browser as the filtering dimension for a goal flow, you can see which browsers provided the most traffic and the most conversions, how those visitors navigated your goal funnel, and whether those visitors encountered problems along the way to your goal.